When it comes to the most affordable and environmentally friendly vehicles for commuting or exploring the outdoors, what comes to your mind in the first place? Most of the time, it's going to be a bicycle. Well, bicycles have been a popular means of commuting for a long time. But electric bikes still have a high price tag. Most people can't purchase them even if they wanted to. But times have changed, and high-quality electric bikes have begun to be offered at a lower cost. And what if we said you could get an electric bike for a reasonably cheap price right on Amazon? And keeping that in mind, today we'll be discussing the top 7 best electric bikes on Amazon. These are the best budget e-bikes you can get your hands on. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
The Ancheer Blue Spark will get you wherever you need to go with rugged construction, dependable components, and a powerful motor. When it comes to its build, the electric bike has an aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum frame, which is sturdy enough for adults of any age. Plus, this bike can endure a maximum load of 330 pounds. This electric mountain bike boasts Shimano 21-speed gears to adapt to a great range of terrains. Not only that, its 27.5-inch mountain professional wheels will assist you through the most challenging road conditions. Now, to give you the much-needed boost, the electric bike comes with a 48-volt, 500-watt high-speed brushless gear motor, which can efficiently deliver you speeds up to 15 miles per hour. When it comes to powering up the motor, this electric bike features a 48-volt, 10-amp-per-hour lithium-ion battery, and you can fully recharge this bike in just 6 hours. When it's fully charged, it can provide a range of 22 miles on throttle mode and 38 miles on pedal mode. Overall, the Ancheer Blue Spark weighs only 53 pounds and is reasonably priced, so you can have a good time without breaking the bank. Next up, we have the B-Twin Elops 900E, a well-performing, classic-looking electric bike packed with enough power to drive you through the most rugged situations. The bike's frame is made of 6061 aluminum and comes in both a low-frame step-through version and a high-frame version for men and women, and can take loads of up to 330 pounds. In terms of performance, the bike has a 36-volt, 250-watt brushless motor integrated into the rear wheel to provide you with the necessary propulsion. Its 35 Nm engine torque will help you climb any rough terrain without any issue. A cadence sensor is also included to help you pedal more efficiently with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. The bike features a 417 watt-hour lithium-ion battery with LG or Samsung cells. The battery has enough power to cover a minimum of 25 miles, which can be increased to 43 miles if you ride in economy mode. To sum things up, the B-Twin Elops 900E will meet your expectations with its perfect blend of a classic look, powerful engine, long-lasting battery, and a comfortable saddle. Introducing the Swagtron EB8 Outlaw foldable electric bike designed for the most extreme off-road adventures, no matter if you're heading to a hunting spot or simply exploring the campground. It has a rugged aluminum alloy frame, balanced suspensions, and 20-inch wheels with 4-inch all-terrain fat tires, delivering the best performance on the most rugged terrain while carrying almost 265 pounds. A 7-speed Shimano gear is present along with MF-TZ21 free hub for sharp gear shifting, even on the roughest terrain. It's got a high-torque 350-watt motor to provide you with a mandatory push while you explore through uneven tracks, with a maximum speed of up to 18.6 miles per hour. Now coming to its battery, the electric bike has a removable 36-volt lithium-ion battery which can provide you with a maximum range of 21.4 miles, which can be increased by using pedal-to-go mode. All in all, with the freedom of folding, power, and reliable brakes with AutoGuard technology, the Swagtron EB8 Outlaw becomes one of the best choices for your off-roading or any other outdoor trip. The Pure Flux One is a low-maintenance electric bike that hits the market with a whole bunch of new features, perfect for urban commuting and other casual purposes. The electric bike has a 6061 T6 heat-treated aluminum alloy, which will ensure top-of-the-line toughness and durability. Furthermore, its Maxxis Overdrive XL tires with Silk Shield puncture resistance will deliver you a smoother ride. The Flux One has a Vision GM 110 250-watt motor able to deliver you 35 Nm torque, which ensures that you get the smoothest ride while putting as little effort as possible, with a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour. This electric bike boasts a 252-watt-hour battery with Samsung cells inside, and you can quickly get a range of up to 25 miles with this battery. All in all, with a sophisticated design, powerful motor, impressive battery range, nut cable disc brakes, and as light as 38.5 pounds, the Pure Flux One becomes a decent choice for casual users. Ride through the roads like a breeze with the Carrera Crossroad, a road-specific electric bike that'll cover you no matter if you're commuting or just looking for a fun ride. The bike features an alloy frame and 700C wheels with Kenda K 1053 tires, which can easily take loads of up to 264.5 pounds, thanks to its sturdy and robust alloy forks. With the assistance of the Microshift SB R490R 9-speed gear shifter, you can easily control your ride and lift your experience. Performance-wise, the bike has a 36-volt Suntour performance motor with a torque of 60 Nm, which will assist you with a maximum speed of up to 15.5 miles per hour. When it comes to powering up the motor, the electric bike has a 310-watt-hour semi-integrated battery, which can be juiced up in 5 to 6 hours, and a single charge will provide you with up to 50 miles. Lastly, if you're looking for a well-performing, good-looking, and a bike that's got a long battery range, then the Carrera Crossroad can be in your best interest. Are you the kind of person who admires old and classic models? If so, Swagtron Swagcycle EB12 will catch your attention, being a modern commuting bike with the efficiency of a classic city bike. The electric bike's frame and rims are made of high-grade 6061 aluminum and come with 700C wheels, which can easily carry a maximum load of 264.5 pounds. The electric bike has a Shimano 7-speed gear shifter, allowing you to cruise through the city's flat terrain with ease. Its powerful 250-watt motor is efficient enough for day-to-day usage through plain terrains, which is able to give you a boost up to 16 miles per hour. When it comes to its battery, the electric bike has a 36-volt swappable battery, which can be fully charged in just 4 hours and deliver you a maximum of 28 miles at full throttle. Overall, if your interest drives you toward classic bikes without losing the perks of a modern electric bike, then the Swagtron Swagcycle EB12 can be your choice. We're wrapping up the list with the best affordable electric bike of 2021, and it's an award winner, the Rad Power RadMission 1, an absolute champion for versatility, performance, and every other side. The RadMission's frame is also made up of 6061 aluminum along with rims made of double-wall aluminum and is able to take up to 275 pounds of payload. Unlike any other bike, this one boasts a single-speed gear, ensuring an easy ride and low maintenance, perfect for your drive through city or just a casual urban adventure. It comes with a remarkable 500-watt geared hub motor that provides 50 Newton-meters of torque, resulting in a smooth and efficient ride that's perfect for steep hills. In terms of battery power, the Rad Power rocks an innovative 504 watt-hour battery, which is comparatively lighter than its peers, yet doesn't disappoint in terms of mileage. All in all, weighing only 47.5 pounds, the Rad Power RadMission 1 is the all-rounder for power, performance, versatility, and affordability. So that was our list for the top 7 cheapest electric bikes on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. And hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.